In this video, I will show you how to connect Google Fit to MyFitnessPal for calorie adjustments. First, open your Google Fit app. At the bottom right corner, tap on your profile. Once you're in, tap the settings icon at the top. Scroll down to track your activities with health and make sure the switch is turned on so it's connected. Next, go back to your home screen and open the Apple Health app. Tap on your profile, scroll down and select Apps. From the list, find and tap on MyFitnessPal. Here you will see different options related to calorie adjustments. You can choose the specific ones you want to turn on or simply tap Turn on All for full syncing. Once you're done, go back and tap the check icon to save your settings. Now your calorie adjustments from MyFitnessPal will sync directly with Google Fit through Apple Health. And that's how to connect Google Fit to MyFitnessPal for calorie adjustments.